That's where the hustle's real. Swiggy Shillong, where the grind's got that appeal. The shift starts at 10, but it's kinda slow. Barely any orders and it's all that we know. But the newbies, yo, they be breaking through, racking up the orders, max target 2. Fresh on the scene, they rise to the top, chasing every drop, never gonna stop. 4 p.m. hits, it's a whole new game. Orders coming fast, ain't no shame in the name. Full-timers feel it, but it's not the same. That early shift's quiet, it's never gonna claim. From 10 a.m. it's all chillin' vibes, but when the clock hits 4, yo, that's when it thrives. Yo, that's when it thrives. Gotta get to the grind, can't be missing the beat. But if you're in that 1 p.m. zone, orders a light on the street. Still we push through, fighting for every plate. Looking at the clock, but we ain't gotta wait. The newbies got the magic, they're taking the ground, while the vets are still chilling, trying to hold it down. 4 p.m. hits, it's a whole new game. Orders coming fast, ain't no shame in the name. Full-timers feel it, but it's not the same. That early shift's quiet, it's never gonna claim. From 10 a.m. it's all chillin' vibes, but when the clock hits 4, yo, that's when it thrives. Yo, what's the secret? What's the catch? Is the early shift cursed, or just another match? The mystery lingers, but we know the truth. New recruits roll in, they got the proof. Maximum targets breaking every mold. They don't need no silver, they're after that gold. So listen up, all your full-time crew. The secret's in the hustle, you know what to do. From 10 to 4, it's a battle, it's tight, but keep your head up, cause soon you'll see the light. It's all chillin' vibes, but when the clock hits 4, yo, that's when it thrives. That's when it thrives. Yo, that's when it thrives. Yo, that's when it thrives. Yo, that's when it thrives. Yeah. Yo, that's when it thrives. That's when it thrives. Yo, what's the secret? What's the catch? Is the early shift cursed, or just another match? The mystery lingers, but we know the truth. New recruits roll in, they got the proof. Maximum targets breaking every mold. They don't need no silver, they're after that gold. So listen up, all you full-time crew. The secret's in the hustle, you know what to do. From 10 to 4, it's a battle, it's tight, but keep your head up, cause soon you'll see the light. Swiggy Shillong, where the